Hello everybody, I hope this finds you well. I'm Heather Knox, Chief Exec here in NHS Lanarkshire. I'm going to start off, as I normally do, by running you through the COVID numbers, and then I'm going to cover off some other pieces of news just to share with you a couple of things that have been happening this week, and to trail some work that's going to be undertaken around wellbeing next week. So if I start off first of all with the COVID numbers, really high, new number yesterday 1949, and we've now got 161 inpatients across 3 sites. That number has gone up and down, but it's trending up at the moment, which isn't great, and I think it will continue possibly to go upwards until the end of March, when we hope things will level out. We're just trying to understand in more detail what this BA2 variant of Omicron will do, and it does seem to be much more contagious, unfortunately, than some of the previous variants that we've seen, so a lot of people are getting it. However, not so many people are getting very sick. The ones that are coming in, though, are staying with us for quite some time, so we're seeing a longer length of stay in hospital, which is causing us flow difficulties through hospitals, and you'll have seen that the hospitals have had to unfortunately go back to essential visiting this week as well, which is difficult for everybody, but does help us to reduce the spread of the variant within our staff and within our patients. I want to just say a few words about immunisation. We're going to start vaccinating the 5 to 11-year-olds at the start of April, so if you know anybody with a 5 to 11-year-old, please encourage them to get their vaccinations. A lot of you will know that a lot of Omicron has been spread through children, unfortunately, and that they've infected other family members, so we're seeing that have quite an impact on our workforce, so please do encourage people, if they have children, to get their children vaccinated. And we're also from the 28th of March starting to invite all the over 75-year-olds back for a further vaccination, so that will be happening again. If you can encourage people to take up vaccine, I have to say that particular age group have been very good at coming forward for their vaccines, so hopefully we will see that this time around as well. A couple of other things just to mention to you. We welcomed the First Minister on Monday to our Monkland site. That was a visit that took place as part of Apprenticeship Awareness Week for 2022, and gave us an opportunity to showcase our pharmacist apprenticeships. So that was great for the site, and I know the First Minister did let us know that she really enjoyed her visit to NHS Lanarkshire. And secondly, just to draw your awareness to some wellbeing work that we're going to do. We're really keen to understand what works for you, our staff, as part of maximising your health and wellbeing at work. So next week we're launching some virtual events for people to engage with us, to understand about what works for you at work and how we can support you with that. And there's a survey as well that's launched on Monday, so encourage you to take part in that, and really keen to hear from you. There will also be a number of virtual events and workplace meetings, so if these are in your workplace, please do take advantage of them and help us to work with you to maximise your health and wellbeing at work. Thank you so much for listening.